So how I am getting 100 plus FPS on i5 third generation with GTX 610 64-bit memory interface and 1 GB DDR3, the bad even baddest, what you can just pronounce it, the bad processor ever. Anyways, so recently I just got this comment and finally I have decided to make a video on it. I have lot of videos on my YouTube channel about optimization, how to optimize operating system for gaming and how to optimize GPU for gaming as well. The first thing every YouTuber will show you, just click on the Windows icon, then click on the settings. Now type here the graphics settings and just get into the graphics settings. Now here you need to add both files. The Valorant file look like this after adding, and the Riot client file is here. Click on the browse. Mostly the default location of the Valorant Riot games is C drive, but unfortunately I have just added installed in a D drive. So going into the D drive and then games, Riot games. Now here is the Valorant folder. Simply click on the Valorant live and here is the Valorant file. Just add it, and the Riot client service, both will added after look like this. The games, now just click on it and click on the option and select high performance. That's it, because this is the important step for every gaming optimization. Now the second step is click on the Windows icon, then type msconfig, go into the boot option, advanced options. Now number of processor on the top, just check it and select the high number for your processor. So I'm using Core i5 with 4 cores, so I'm going with 4. Okay, now third step, let's move on the third step. Third step is important. Just go into the this PC C drive users, currently user you are using. I'm using Windows Fixer. Now app data. Now if it's not appearing here, then click on views, folder options, then view and show hidden files, folders and drivers, then apply and okay. The second way is simply click here the backslash and app data, hit enter. Now local, scroll down for Valorant folder, open it, saved, config. Now here you will get might be a lot of folders because of lot of accounts, but in my case I'm using only one account right now. So here is the way, simply open it, game user settings. Now copy these settings if you are using the bad GPU. Resolution quality means the rendering resolution, guys, actually. So I'm using 60, by default is 100, and the further other settings are 333 something like that, but I'm using 111. So just copy these settings. This will provide you a perfect FPS for perfect gaming. Now some other steps are available. Let's move on the further step. Just copy these settings and then click on the save. Now close it, right click on your file, properties, and check the read only, because it won't change. Let them change, the Valorant won't change it automatically. Now let's move on the Nvidia control panel. Now adjust image settings and preview. This is the important step for again better performance and FPS. So here are the three options by default that the 3D application decided. So this, I'm not recommending this because every developer wants a better graphic quality instead of a better performance, because they want to show their work and their effort as well. But in my case, just go with the third option, and then here is the main thing. If you want a better performance, then go for better performance, or even you need a quality as well, then go in a mid, I mean for balanced, then hit apply. That's it. Now these options work perfectly, guys. Definitely they will increase at least 30 to 40 FPS for you. If you want to believe, just go ahead, play it. Now I'm already updating it, unfortunately, but you can go into the task manager, then click on the view, update speed. By default it's normal, you can go for high. After that, just find the Valorant file here. After launching it, you will get it here. Then right click on it and then go to the detail. Now you will get here the three options: the client, the Valorant file and the VGC. Just right click on them, set priority to high. That will increase the launching performance and as well the loading performance, because sometimes game stuck on the like loading maps, and somewhere else when you get into the unrated or some in matches, deathmatch, so it will help you. Now a important step, one more, let's overclock a GPU without any risk. That is through by MSI burner, afterburner. Now this is my basic speed, guys. You can see on the top 8, 10 and 601 the memory clock and the core clock. Just increase it on the maximum level, and that's it, guys. Save it. That will work 100% for you guys to increase the maximum performance from GPU for your game or any graphic kind of work. I think these methods work perfectly, but there is another option you can do for more extra better performance. That is, you can increase the monitor hertz speed, like the monitor refreshing. If you are using the 60 hertz, you can increase it at least on 75. I think so. Now there is another option, guys. Just go into the Riot Games live, and here is the Valorant game again. Just go into the properties, capabilities, disable full screen optimization. This is the important step. First do this and then close it. Now let's move on the monitor refresh rate. Let's increase the monitor refresh rate. How you can do that? Simply right click. If you are using Nvidia, I don't know about AMD or other GPUs, but in Nvidia you can do it easily. Just right click, Nvidia control panel. Now in the Nvidia control panel you need to change the resolution. Okay, now with the native resolution, just find here the native resolution, select it, and on the right side you will get the refresh rate. Just select it on 75 or 70 or 72 or even 85. Just select I don't know, might be 85 work for you, or might be the 70 work for you, but a bit you can easily increase it. In my case, I'm using the Lenovo LCD. It's 21.2 inches, I think so, and it's 475 at least. So for now I can't apply these settings because I'm recording my desktop resolution, so it can destroy my recording. I hope, guys, these methods gonna work for you. Just comment below after applying these settings. Have a good day. Bye bye, and yeah, please hit the subscribe button.